How's it going on, guys? Exploring with Henry here, and in today's video we're going to be exploring another abandoned mill in Huddersfield. It's actually called the Devil's Mill for some reason, because there's pentagrams in there and 666 wrote everywhere, so it's pretty creepy. And we're currently outside at the moment. It's very overgrown out here, so yeah, we'll see you guys when we're in there. Right, so this is the outside of the place. I'll just show you these rooms before you get in. It's not too big as this place, so hopefully we'll get it all done today, which we probably will, but if not, then we'll be revisiting it within the next few days. All sorts of stuff outside. It's all rusting away. Pretty good graffiti, that. Hopefully that camera don't work, but doubt it though. It's like a little old shed there. There's pipings and stuff. Just they were stripping the place out at one point. The beautiful waterfall outside of us. By the looks of it, someone's been sleeping in here at one point. Look at it. Wow. Old tyres there. Some nice shelving there. Yeah, there's not much in this room. Oh, these. It's amazing, is that? You see them in most buildings, but some places you don't see them. It's pretty awesome. I don't know what that is. Nothing here. Plastic bags and packets and stuff and rubbish. Guys, so many tyres scattered about here. I wonder what they used all these for. Weird is that. Hopefully there's no one inside. Wow, what's awesome is that? Look at that. Well, we'll show you there in a minute. I'm just going to show you this here. Look at that. HVP, don't know what that means. Old builder's hat there. Right. So yeah. Let's get inside the building. Oh, I better watch out for that. Propane gas. All this, it's like some carts and stuff. Old workbench. I think that's what it is. It smells very bad of oil in here. Someone's actually poured it all over there, which is disgusting. Look at it. Ugh. That was a wheelbarrow, I'm guessing, and the other parts of that is outside. We should have seen it on the video, but I just didn't mention what it was, where everything's rusting away. Yeah, we showed you in this part. Making our way up to the main part of the building now, upstairs. Hopefully there's no one in here as last time. I actually saw some sort of dog footprints on the stairs, and homeless have been living in here before because there's a bed. So hopefully there's no one in here, but look at this, guys, you can just about tell that there's someone been in here as there's footprints again. Creepy light bulb up there. There's my sticker, guys. Upstairs then. Nice green door there, showing it open. That's the footprints there, guys, look. Looks like dogs or something. They were there before, so hopefully there's no one here now. If so, we're gonna have to make a mad dash for it. But if anything happens, we've got it all caught on camera. Doesn't look like anything's changed since a few days ago when we last came. This is one of the bedrooms, which is unusual in a mill. Strange, isn't it? You can tell someone has been living in here, because look, all that everywhere. Roofing falling down, dog bed. I think that's a shelf for CDs or something. Insulation falling around everywhere. Can't show you all of that. Yeah, give that to a side because that was the name of the place. Can't show you that. An old car plan lock de-icer. Not often you see them in them bottles nowadays. Oh, look at that. There was a phone there, but someone's took it off, haven't they? Shame. I swear I saw the phone on there the last time I came. Look at that. Supplied by Hills Surplus Hetman work. Oh, what's this? Look at that old document, but there's no inside of it. Nothing in that one. It says on it, pay. Nothing in there either. Or that one. There's nothing really in this room, apart from it's very creepy. Got a door. Another old things here. What does that say? Now cover that up, will you? That there. Cover that there. Look at this. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Fire Prevention Fire Precautions Act 1971. Pretty awesome, is that? All I do is that because I don't want to give the place away. Schedule of the steps must be taken. Yeah. That's one of the old health and safety law acts. Pretty awesome. So all this is fax and data switch. It's unusual. So that used to power something. There's nothing in those drawers, they're just empty. I think we showed you this room now. I'm not gonna mess about looking at any more documents. I'll put on this room for you. Look at that frying pan. Nasty is that. Plug there as well. Don't know what that is, looks like a film reel, but it's not. Wow, look at the wallpaper. Very strange, and then it's all peeling there. Yep, someone's been in here, look. Dockers up floor. Don't know what that was. This here. Another plug of some sort. Oh, it looks like it's off a radio or something. Old Morrison carrier bags. Yeah, showed you this little room here. Show the other parts. Nice views from here though. Look at the views. How crazy is that? There we are again, guys, my sticker of Decay Urbex. Massive shout out to him. Make sure you go and check out his channel, great content. Also check out Let's Explore with Rich and Rexy Explores, and you'll see their video in this place. Ugh, that's nasty. Seems like that's been there a while. Nice staircase there. Look at that. Crazy is that? We're heading up there shortly. Just look around that room there first. Someone's whacked that off of there. That was on the wall. Don't know what that was. It's like a temperature thing, I think. Smoke doors, fire keep closed. Wow, look at the place, guys. Crazy. Non-drip gloss paint. Well, look at one of the old machines. Pretty cool, is that? Massive drop there. Don't want to fall through that. Look at that. But you don't need to use that, you can just climb up the stairs. Have you delivered anything to declare? That's about income tax. Is it around the back as well? No? Oh. Odd. Up there. Look at that. Must have used to be something there we used to post something through. Don't know what they've done there. Looks like they put newspaper out the window or something. Whoa, look at that. A very decaying McDonald's toy. That looks like it's been here for a lot of years. Snapped brush. What's this here? What's Stanley brand? Staple assortment packs. Look at the fuse in here, guys, it's amazing. Woodworks machine, regulations 1974. Pretty awesome, is that? Look at the decay in the windows, guys, that's amazing. Wow. The views from here though, I've never seen it as beautiful in my life. Look at that. Wow. How crazy is that? Firehouse. Oh. Maybe it's something to do with fire extinguishers. Unusual, is that? These look like good 1970s fire extinguishers or something. At least. More basic than this nowadays. They don't have all these stickers everywhere. Which says fire extinguisher on it. Oh yeah, 1980s, how close? By 10 years. There we are, British ones. Nothing on that one, just covered it over. Yeah, pretty cool, is that? Fire H, and then there's a bit of fire there, stencils onto it. Guessing that used to be firehouse. Must have been some sort of thing in this mill to do with a firehouse. Strange is that? Firehouse in a mill. Don't know what that's all about. It's pretty cool though. Chair on top of that box. Don't know what that is. Strange. And the old workbenches, there's vices, I think that's what they call them. I'm unsure. But that's pretty cool though. Oh, look at that. The dates there. Smash windows, seen better days. Another workbench. Sleeping bag under there. Someone has been sleeping in here. Maybe not recently, but I'm sure. Table. Nothing around that bit. Oh, look at those curtains. That's well unusual. None of the other windows have curtains, but then there's that random one at the end that has a curtain. Strange. It's like something to fill up something with. Like squeeze oil out of it or something. I'm not sure about that. That's what it looks like to me. Panels, product specifications. Tell you what everything is, what they used to use in that. Yeah. I showed you most things in this room now, let me just check. Yeah, I showed you everything in this part. Wait a minute. Just show you this over here. Look at that. Whoa, Samsung made that. Jesus. Oh, maybe that's where the phone went or something. Oh, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's a phone. What the? It's a weird phone. Don't see them like that nowadays. Well, not many people use them now. They just use mobiles and stuff. Not answer phones or all like that. Landlines. We're going down there last, as it is pretty amazing down there. There's a forklift and everything down there. It's crazy. Look at that. Someone's old rail card. Don't know what for. I haven't seen those before. Oh, Batley. It's not called that now, I don't think. Flat bits. Sweeping brush. There we are again, guys. My sticker and River Decay airbags. Get a better view of that for you. There we are. There we go again. And that's pretty cool, cat. Some guy's been here with a stencil. There's also one there as well, which I thought it'd look cool if I put mine next to it as well. Staircase there. We'll head up there after this. Whoa. Dusty down here. Look at it, look at it, it's all shiny, it's all sparkly, look at it. Whoa. Just about to see all dust going into the lens. Ladder just leading to that there, but it's not attached to it. Very dusty. Sand, I think it is. Where they used to hang the work jackets and stuff. That's cool. Just a chair sat there next to the heater or something, whatever that is. I think that's what it is. Yeah, heater. Just nice sat there. It'd be good for photo shoots sat there. Just there. It'd be brilliant with that. That's odd. It's not there. And then there's that there. Someone must have ripped it off. It's odd putting them though there. Random shelf there. It's buried with all that. Pretty cool. See if we can get you some views from it. Ah, it's the roof, look. Pretty awesome though. Another view from the waterfall. Down there you can just about see the waterfall. Wow. Big drop down there, we're gonna fall. Jesus. Guys, I've just heard something. So stop it here. and see what it was. But if not, then we'll see you guys soon.